Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you instant art prompts. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first thing that you can do here is that you can simply just go to your browser and search for instantart.io, and you will be routed to this page just by clicking the first link that will show up. This actually is a image generator or using AI model for you to be able to create images like these ones, which is created by the artificial intelligence. You can see that there's an example from portraits, from landscapes or environments, from famous paintings, or just an ordinary person that you want to edit yourself into. So here is an example. These are the example being shown here, or these are the image that are being generated here on Instant Art AI. So for you to get started, just click on this orange button here on the upper right corner of the screen and just click on get started. From here, what you will do is that you will be needing to sign in, or you will need to sign up or create your account so that you will be able to start creating or generating your own images with this application. So what you can do here is that I clicked on sign up since I haven't created any account yet. I filled out all the informations and verify your email address. Once done, you can just click on next and you will be routed into this page, homepage once again, where this is where you will start creating your images, and this is where all your images will be saved as well, since it will be added into your history. So first thing that you will do here is that you can actually, or I'll walk you through on what you can see here on this platform. So on this part here, the first thing that you will see is the logo. And after that, there's a search icon, and you can see that there are the images that are being generated here. And you can even set the columns as well for how many columns you'd like this to be in. So when looking into the images or sample images that is being generated, you can actually change it to different columns, or you can set it to different columns that how you'd like it to view, either six or just have it a one column view, depending on what you'd prefer. So another thing here is that you can actually search for any images that you like or you want to get inspiration with on the Instant Art platform. So for example, you want to search for dogs or cats or any art style that you'd like to search, so that you will have an idea on what will be or how you will be able to create those images by copying the prompts being used. So here on this upper part of the screen, you will see that there's different tabs. So first was the home, which was the home page of the whole website or your dashboard, and the next one is generate. This is where you will be writing your prompt. So you will be describing the image that you wish to generate, and this bottom box here would be the negative prompt. So you will be indicating the ideas or the part of the image that you don't want to be included. And here as well on this right box, this is where you will be able to set the dimensions of your image, whether you want it landscape on different sizes, or if you want it square, or if you want your image on a portrait position or orientation rather. So there are various or different types of dimensions that you can choose from portrait, landscape, and even on square orientation. So once you have chosen the dimension that you'd like to generate an image here on Instant Art, what you can do is that you will be setting, or you will be choosing what AI model you'll be using here. For Instant Art, there are actually a lot of options that you can choose from. So for example, there is a wool type, art, and I'll let you know, or we'll browse into it later on. So as you can see here, there's a model ID. Currently it's on stable diffusion, but when you click on the drop down button, there's a lot of options from anything V3. They also have an option here for Midjourney V4. This is not Midjourney, but they just name it similar to Midjourney here. There's also Waifu Diffusion, Wavy Fusion, F222, Synth Wave Punk, so it generates images into punk styles. There is also Midjourney Paper Cut, there's a Redshift Diffusion, there's Protogen, X 3.4, there's Arcane, Modi Diffusion, Jack's Creepy Critter Packs, Portrait, Robo Diffusion, Double Exposure, Icons MI, Wool Litize, Disco Diffusion, Red Dream, Dream Shaper, T-shirt diffusion. There's definitely infinite options for types of models, but this not all of these models are actually very good with um, generating your image. Some of this may be um, out of what you are trying to portray, or it's just catching only a few items on your prompt to generate the image. So here under guidance scale, this will allow you to modify how or the contrast scale of your image, and you will be able to set as well the image counts. These are the number of images that you will be able to generate, or you will be choosing on how many images you want to generate. So here under images, when you click on it, this is actually where you will be able to view your prompts once you already have an image that you've generated here on Instantart. And another thing here is this will be your generation. So similar to your homepage, you'll be able to set on how many columns you'd like to show as well. And here as well on Discord, you will be able to join the platforms here on Discord where you will be able to communicate with other um, instant art users, and you will be able to gain as well advices or recommendations, or you will be able to have an inspiration on what type of prompts you'll be using into your um, image. So what you can do here is that you can just click on accept invite, and then you will be routed into your Discord account, and you will be able to view a lot of generations that are being posted there as well. So here when you click on likes, these are images, whether it could be an image that you generated or it is an image that you saw on the homepage. You can definitely hit the like button, and once you click on it, it will definitely be shown here on this page. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use instant art prompts. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.